Now I want to show you why your trading strategies don't work, because this is the single greatest skill you must learn as a trader. Otherwise you will fail in trading regardless of what you're using. So using the building blocks as an example, you can see I'm buying, I'm in a buy trade, but then this market is actually giving me a sell settle. Mark the trend lines, all the stars are aligned, market has returned, there is a rejection candle, perfect. This is exactly what building block sell setup is. But I'm in a buy trade. Why? Because rather than just blindly following chart pattern, which is what most of you are doing even after teaching the building block system, try to get a sense of direction. And having a sense of direction is more important than the chart pattern. I tried to hammer this in the last teach. When you watch the last video, the first step is to have a sense of where the market could likely draw to. And I covered it. This is why lesson 3 is very important, because this is what I want to cover. I want to hammer this in lesson 3. I touched a bit of it in the second session. I introduced it, but you must understand, if you have a sense of direction first, that's when your chart pattern makes sense. That's when your chart pattern can tell you, okay, enter now. But if you blindly follow this, you would lose. And most of you are seeing this. It doesn't matter what you're trading. Market is expanding higher. You would have taken out your stop loss, and then it has hit my own take profit. Why? Because the chart pattern does not matter as much as where the market is likely to draw to. So do not miss lesson 3. I will tell you how to be able to get a sense of direction. Teach directional bias for the day, for the session, so that you can be able to take advantage of it and not focus completely on patterns alone. And this is why this is a mentorship. I'm not just giving you courses, I'm leading you through the process.